Good afternoon, Tinterweb. We are doing another activity today, our third one on Koh Samui. This one is the Elephant Jungle Safari, where we get to feed the elephants, learn a bit about them, look at the conservation work they're doing in Koh Samui for the Asian elephant. And bathe them and stuff. Should be interesting. Join us for the fun.
Okay, if that were no good for me, I know he very well.
Bye on time. Why did we ever dance at that? Thanks.
No riding, I got the back.
Lots of ahs and oohs and ahs.
Elephant walking, elephant circus. So for class, people do some tours. So our century, we want to give elephant better life. We want to give elephant best life. We want to give elephant lady. And also the hand name. You give the name, you call their name, they know their name. Also you can talk to them, they understand. But elephant, they know Thai language. You want to speak to elephant, you have to speak Thai. But they also know a little bit English. First one here, her name Mancha. He repeats. And her best friend, this one, Ta Saw, 66 years old. 66 years old. And Rojana, she is the big girl here, and also youngest girl. Now 38 years old. 38 years old. Because you have to know how to make food for elephant. Okay? And more bucket, so you can move this side. Yeah.
So I make meatballs like this. Oh, I'm moving the camera.
Going with the head all the time.
You had too much fun. I don't know if you don't look safe.
We're making elephant food balls. Oh, you have to move your camera.
I will have it behind
Move
my
your
neck.
camera because I can't move this time.
Just a follow. I'm not touching it.
Voila.
They make a few small ones.
And Maria's going to feed an elephant. So, you know where it goes?
On top.
Well, underneath so it can grab it. That's it. Go on, give him another one.
Go away. Oh. Well, that's it. It's too big. You go in.
That way, that way.
Come.
Start this one first and start this one first.
He's a nice boy. Oh yeah, you're not on my phone, mate.
Inside also, everyone. Inside also, you can go. Mama?
Не, буду поливать, буду.
So here we are at the tie-dye station, and Anne-Marie is going to make a brightly coloured 60s style San Francisco hanky.
One black necklace.
It looks great, doesn't it?
The spicy one is spicy. Very good. I took you try it.
The way you have done, also you can grab your food, sit down, also you can watch, see your picture, okay? On the picture, our photo number 2 will show and select to you. And then later we say to you, okay, on the picture.
You're going to try and put your brother in. Bye.
Bye.